Hi friends, Jai Jagannath. Welcome to Jobs World channel. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So if you're new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alert. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 7th May 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Who has been named winner of the 2020 UNESCO or Guldenbrough Cano World Press Freedom Prize? So it is option number 1, Gineth Bedoya Lima. So she belongs to Colombia and she is a Colombian journalist. So what is this UNESCO or Guldenbrough Cano World Press Freedom Prize? So this prize is awarded annually on the occasion of the World Press Freedom Day, which is on 3rd May. Question number 2. Sankalp scheme has been launched by the police of which district of Madhya Pradesh to provide 24-hour help to the elderly? So it is from Umaria district. Some related to MP. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Shivraj Singh Chauhan is its CM and governor is Lalaji Tandon. So what will happen under the scheme? Under the scheme, all police officer has been instructed to identify and help the one or two elderly families who are living alone and worried about their everyday needs during this lockdown. Question number 3. Sandeep Kumari, who has been banned for 4 years by WADA, is associated with which sports? So she is associated with discus throw. Question number 4. Name the Indian journalist who has been honored with the 2020 Pulitzer Prize in the field of feature photography. So it is option number D, all of the above. That is Yasinder Mukhtar Khan and Chani Anand. So this Pulitzer Prize, is the most prestigious award in American journalism. Question number 5. Youssef Hossam, who has received lifetime ban, is associated with which sport? So he is a tennis player from Egypt and he is got banned for the corruption. Question number 6. Rebate of state levies, that is ROSL scheme, is associated with which of the industry? So it is with textile. Question number 7. The Indian Navy has launched which operation as a part of Indian nation's effort to bring back Indian citizens from abroad? So it is Samudra Setu. And some related to Indian Navy. Navy Day each year is observed on 4th December and the Chief of Indian Navy is Admiral Karambir Singh. Question number 8. Which state government has launched a WhatsApp number 8794534501 for people to launch complaints about corruption? So it is Tripura state government launched this. Some GK to Tripura. Tripura capital is Agartala. Biplab Kumar Dev is its CM and governor is Ramesh Bias. And recently Tripura government has launched neighborhood classes. That means for 5 students, 1 teacher will be provided until the school resumes. Question number 9. Which IT institution has planned to collaborate with a Hong Kong based financial firm New Frontier Capital Management to create a venture ecosystem? So it is IIT Hyderabad. Question number 10. The National Mission for Clean Ganga, that is NMCG, a National Institute of Urban Affairs, that is NIUA, organized an ideathon recently on which topic? So it is on the future of the river management. Question number 11. Which state has launched 3 schemes under the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act? So it is Jharkhand. So the 3 schemes names are: first is Birsa Harit Gram Yojana, second is Nilambar Pitambar Jal Samriddhi Yojana, and the third is the Potoho Khel Vikas Yojana. Some GK related to Jharkhand. Jharkhand capital is Ranchi. Hemant Soren is its CM and Draupadi Murmu is its governor. Question number 12. Which has launched an online portal for home delivery for home of liquor? So it is Chhattisgarh. So they will charge also 120 rupees extra for delivery. Some GK related to Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh capital is Raipur. Bhupesh Baghel is its CM and governor is Anusuya Uike. Question number 13. The US government has approved whose nomination as an ambassador and philanthropist of the Republic of Sudan. So it is option number C, Nourel Sati. Sorry for my pronunciation. So some GK to Republic of Sudan. Republic of Sudan capital is Khartoum and its currency is Sudanese pound. Question number 14. Who has been appointed as the CMD of Mishra Dhanu Nigam Limited, that is Midhani, recently? So it is Sanjay Kumar Jha. Option number B. Question 15. Who has been appointed as the Chief Financial Officer of Flipkart Commerce, that is Flipkart and Myntra? So it is Sriram Venkataraman. So Flipkart headquarter present in Bengaluru and Kalyan Krishnamurthy is its CEO. Question number 16. To which company has KPTL successfully completed the sale of its entire stake in the Kalpataru Satpura Transco Private Limited? So it is CLP India Private Limited. Question number 17. Who has been nominated by the President Donald Trump to a federal court in New York? So it is option number A, Saritha Komati Reddy. Question number 18. Which of the following has tied up with iSteam Research Private Limited to take up research on COVID-19? So it is Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. Question number 19. Which of the following has or have launched the Garud, that is Government Authorization for Relief using Drone Portal? So it is both A and B. So it should be option D, that it is from both A and B. So that is Civil Aviation Ministry and DGCA. What is the DGCA? DGCA full form is Directorate General of Civil Aviation. So its headquarters present in New Delhi and Arun Kumar is its Director General. And who is the Minister for Civil Aviation? His name is Hardeep Singh Puri. Question number 20. The CM of which state has launched Ayush Kavach COVID app? So it is launched by Uttar Pradesh. And recently Uttar Pradesh has made compulsory that the person who belongs to hotspot area, he must should have Arogya Setu app in his phone. It's compulsory. Some GK to UP. UP capital is Lucknow. Yogi Adityanath is its CM and governor is Anandiben Patel. And under this Ayush Kavach COVID app, it will help people to get health remedies which can be useful to fight coronavirus and which are available in the kitchen. Question 21. The state government is planning to launch new program Nigah. So it is launched by Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh CM is Jairam Thakur and its governor is Bandaru Dattatreya. Question 22. Who has been appointed as chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Public Service Commission? So it is B.R. Sharma. Question 23. The CSIR's Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology and which of the following have signed an agreement for licensing know-how for rapid and accurate diagnosis of COVID-19? So it is IGIB and Tata Sons. Question number 24. The president of which country has honored North Korean leader Kim Jong-un with an commemorate World War II medal to mark the 75th anniversary of victory over Nazi Germany? So it is by Russia. And recently Russia is going to launch a missile that is named Arctic IM to monitor Arctic climate at the end of 2020. Some GK to Russia. Russia capital is Moscow and Russian ruble is its currency. Question 25. Which of the following has announced the appointment of Krishnan Ramachandran as its MD and CEO? So it is Max Bupa Health Insurance. Question number 26. When is World Hand Hygiene Day 2020? So it is observed on 5th May. So what is the theme? So this year the theme is Save Lives, Clean Your Hands. Question number 27. Which of the following has come forward for a large scale manufacturing of ventilators developed by Noka Robotics? So it is by Bharat Dynamics Limited. Bharat Dynamics Limited founded on 1970. Its headquarters present in Hyderabad and Siddharth Misra is its CMD. Question number 28. Who has been appointed as a director on the Central Board of RBI by government recently? So it is our Secretary of Economic Affairs, that is Tarun Bajaj. Some GK to RBI. RBI was started on 1st April 1935. Its headquarters present in Mumbai and its governor is Shaktikant Das. So this is the current affairs of 7th May 2020. So the answer of yesterday's question is the Indravati National Park is situated in Chhattisgarh. So the question of today is, where is the Tilak Maidan Stadium is located? So write down the answer in the comment box and I'll attach this PDF in the description. You can go and download it from there. So stay safe at home and keep studying. And thanks for your time. And do not forget to subscribe the channel.